What's up, everybody, and please welcome to Expert WS Cube Tech. On today's video, we're gonna look into Python programming. Now, I know a lot of you guys wanna learn Python programming, or simply because it can help in different areas and expertise of software engineering and computer science. Now, you can use Python as an automation tool. You can automate some of the boring stuff with your Python. You can also do a bunch of other things with Python. Okay, so on today's video, we're just gonna get started with setting up the environment for programming with Python. Okay, let's dive right in. Alright, first of all, what you need to do is to open up your browser. I'm using Firefox right here. You can use any type of browser that you use. You could use Chrome and some other stuff. Alright, right now the web browser doesn't matter. What matters is the process. Alright, what you need to do after opening up your web browser, you need to type Python. Just type Python and Google will show you the results. Now you have to come here which says python.org. Alright, the latest, as you can see, we there are different things you can do about documentation. You can just come here to see some documentation about Python. You can find pretty good stuff right here. Alright, so what you need to do is to navigate to download. You can either click it or just hover on it and go right here and press install or press download. Right, I'm not gonna do that. I have to press this. Now we have different platforms where we can install our Python 3. The latest version is right here, Python 3.10.4. Alright, so for this video, I'm gonna just go ahead and download it right here, and let's download the latest release. Okay, now let's just save file. Alright, it is downloading. It is almost done, I think. Alright, after downloading this Python, what you have to do is to install it. Alright, let's just install the program. It will take some time before it opens. Alright, so since I already have Python installed, right, I'm gonna just go ahead and upgrade. But what you'll see on your machine is what looks like an installation button, and then down there there's an unchecked box that says add to path. What you need to do is to click that checkbox and add to path. It is crucial because it helps a lot of IDEs to actually recognize where Python is actually installed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and alright, so there are different IDEs where you can just program your Python code, but as a beginner, I recommend that you use this Genie. Right, I recommend that you download Genie. There's no hard stuff there. You just download it and install it. Nothing new. Everything is pretty much simple. After installing this Genie, you're gonna just have to open it up. already have Genie installed. Alright. Alright, let's just you don't have to see any of this code right here. Some pretty advanced stuff. Alright, so let's just wait for this to install. Alright, now that you're done with installing the Python, like I said, you can just use your Genie IDE to code Python. Now to check if Python is available or not, just go ahead and open your command prompt. Sorry for the red font color. To check if Python is available on your machine, just type Python -- then version. Alright, it shows the version right here, 9.10, and that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.